got the top off from the previous video, we're just going to want to try and remove a fuse holder. I'm just going to show you the replacement procedure for a fuse holder. Firstly, take a picture and make note of where the wires are coming from. You can see this top wire is coming from the top side, and this bottom wire is coming straight from the rocker switch on the side here, coming straight from that switch. So to remove this, we're just going to remove these spade connectors that are inside the fuse holder, and you should then be able to unscrew the nut on the other side of the fuse holder, like so. Once it's all the way off, the nut should come off, along with the small white washer on the other side. So keep both of these. The fuse holder should then pop out from there. You can then take your new fuse holder and do the exact reverse. So you'll place your fuse holder in, add the white washer that comes with it, and then the nut as well, and just begin to screw the nut down onto the fuse holder like that. Make sure it's nice and tight so the fuse holder isn't going to come out, and then just make sure you put the cables back on the other way, or the way they went on, I should say, sorry. So if you remember, the wire from the top connected to the top, excuse me, and the wire from the bottom was connected to the back.